The cat sees a bird out in the tree right here on the back patio, and she is just flipping out. Her tail's a twitching, her mouth's twitching. She wants that bird so bad. Fluffer, fluffy wuffy, fluffers. Kitty, 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 kitty. Is that birdie bothering you? That birdie is really bothering you. There's a little birdie flying around, hopping around in that tree, and it has just got her wound up. Is that birdie bothering you? Oh, poor Fluffer. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Fluffer. You ain't gonna jump through the window, are you? You gonna get that birdie? You gonna get that birdie?